Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The first renders of the Google Pixel 11 show off a refreshed design and reveal key specs of the smartphone ahead of its announcement. According to the latest available data, the Google Pixel 11 is expected to launch in late summer 2026, slightly after the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Wide. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New CAD renders that have surfaced online offer a glimpse of what the upcoming Google Pixel 11 smartphone might look like. Judging by the leak, the company is maintaining the overall design of the line, but making subtle changes to the device's design and specifications. The new Google Pixel smartphone is noticeably distinguished by its thinner bezels and a black camera cover. Although these details have not yet been fully confirmed, the design remains recognizable for the series, with the power button in the opposite position from other Android phones. The new Google Pixel 11 specifications are largely undisclosed. It's known that the dimensions will remain nearly identical to the Pixel 10, 152.8 by 72 x 8.5 mm, and the display will be a 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED. The device will likely feature a 7-core Tensor G6 processor, a MediaTek M90 modem, 12 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage, though 256 GB is expected. The new Google Pixel 11's design continues Google's 3-year-old stylistic philosophy, so don't expect any major changes. The company traditionally updates its design every 2 to 3 years, and more radical changes may appear in the Pixel 12. The Pixel 11, like previous generations, is scheduled to launch in August 2026, after the latest Samsung models, and before the iPhone's September announcement. The exact price is still unknown, but the starting price is expected to remain around $799. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.